In this video, I'll be unboxing the Rode Wireless Me microphones to see what's included in the box and what's not included. So let's get started right away. So over here we have the transmitter, and we also get a receiver, the one that you connect to your camera or your phone. We also get a small protective pouch. It fits both the transmitter and the receiver, and you also have some additional space for some cables. And then we have the accessory box. First cable is a TRRS to TRS. These are made to connect to smartphones and laptops. Then we have a cable that is a USB Type-C to Lightning connector to connect it to an iPhone. We also get two cool Rode stickers. We get two windshields because the transmitter and the receiver both have microphones, and this will protect them from the wind noise. Then we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C to connect the receiver to any smartphones or even laptops. You can also charge the units using this cable. Then we have a TRS to TRS cable, and comparing to the other one I showed you, this one is made to connect to your camera. The other one is mostly for smartphones and laptops. And finally, we have a very small manual. So this is the receiver. We have a light here for the battery indicator and another light to see if it's paired. We have the mic in the middle. It has a clip that also works on a hot shoe of a camera. On this side, we have a USB Type-C that can work to charge the unit, but also to transmit audio. You can also connect it to your camera or smartphone using a normal audio cable, 3.5 millimeter. Here we have a button to power it on and off. And this is the transmitter. It has a 3.5 millimeter jack if you want to input a mic, like a lavalier. It also has a mic, obviously, in the middle. And then two lights for the battery and the pairing. We also have a button to power it on and off, and a USB Type-C to charge it. And it also has a clip if you want to put it on your clothing. So this is it. This was the unboxing of the Rode Wireless Me wireless microphones.